Okay, Mr. Tiwari, thank you very much for joining us on ET Now. It was good to connect with you at the virtual press conference. Maybe, this is going to be the future of press conferences going forward. But Mr. Tiwari, ahead of the festival, the Great Indian Festival, what kind of demand are we looking at? Because if we look at the estimates in the last few weeks, it's been very bullish about the kind of sales we are going to see during the festive month. Amazon also reported very good sales during its Prime Day. So, do you see that demand sustaining? And if you can give us a sense, is it going to be even better than last year? Just to get a sense of how this festive season is going to compared to the previous year.
Yeah, first of all, thanks for having me. I'm happy you enjoyed the virtual conference. That's the first time for us, and we are all learning as we go on the journey. Just to pull back a little bit, I just want to share with you what would a good festive season look like for us, because it's good. It's important to define what good is, and we are focused largely on three things. One is as we get into acquiring the next 100 million customers, new to online and new to Amazon.in. That's an important thing we look at. Second, of course, is the experience our Prime customers have, which can be reflected in the frequency and the overall shopping they do. And third is seller success metrics. How many sellers, new to Amazon sellers, are they successful? How many of them record the best ever sales? So various metrics around this. And if I go back and look at the last few months, especially July, August, September, which has been a little more stable, based on seller registration, the surge we are seeing in new sellers registering, based on new to Amazon customers, the kind of numbers we are seeing, and the Prime Day which we had, I think all of them are indicating to a few things. One, on the customer front, customers are seeing e-commerce as probably a safe, reliable way of shopping. And to further enable that, you're aware we are now, this season, you can shop on Amazon.in, not only in English and Hindi, but also in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. And I think that would get more and more customers online. On the seller front, like I said, we're seeing an uptake, a surge in seller registrations. We've also made it easier for our sellers. So now on Seller Central, you can register not only in English, but also in Hindi and Tamil. Yeah, and that is the way we are enabling to sort of, meet the demand which we are expecting this season. And given current trends, I do feel, good about what we've done to ensure that both the upside on customer front and on seller side, we are able to capture it during the festive season. So I do feel good about these three metrics, which is the experience of customers, new to Amazon customers, and seller success metrics.
But give us some kind of indicator, even if not in numbers. Will it be better than last year? Will it be double of perhaps last year, the festival season? What kind of projections can we expect? I'm sure you're working with some expectations.
Oh, sure. I do. And like I said, most of my expectations are based around getting new customers, the Prime customer experience, and seller metrics. Based on the trend we have seen and what we've managed to do under the current circumstances for enabling it, be it for the consumer, be it for the seller, I do feel that this Diwali, this festive season, the month-long celebration would be better definitely than last year.
Wow, that's amazing, especially, in a pandemic year for e-commerce companies, for digital companies to see this trend. But within that, Mr. Tiwari, what kind of demographic changes are you seeing in India? A lot has been said about, the next billion, the next million, the next billion, how a lot of smaller pin codes are participating. In terms of value, how does this change? Category, how does it change? Are you going to see a bigger share of shopping coming from some of these newer pin codes, or is it going to be existing customers who are perhaps going to shop more online?
Yeah, sure. I think there are some lead indicators which I look at. I do believe that seller behavior is one of the lead indicators, because our sellers do understand their consumers really, really well. And some of the questions you're asking me are more for lead indicators, because ultimately what happens I can share with you once the festive season is over. But in terms of seller registrations, we are seeing more and more sellers from tier 2, tier 3 cities, they are registering online. Yeah. And that I think would reflect in consumer behavior also. And as over the last 6 years, if you look at our how the festive season has been going, we do see an increasing amount of consumers buying more from the smaller cities. So what starts off as new to Amazon slowly builds up and becomes a regular Amazon customer and then moves on to a Prime customer. So I am sort of based on lead indicators predicting that our contribution, both from sellers in smaller places and from consumers in smaller cities, would continue to grow.
Right. That's an interesting prediction. And within categories, if I look at the mainstay for e-commerce companies, electronics has been a major component, smartphone has been a major component. In fact, Counterpoint Research recently said that Amazon is perhaps the market leader now when it comes to smartphones. Fashion is, of course, another high value category. But do you see the share of grocery going up, home improvement, furnishing going up? Because that's a category that Amazon has been investing in. The catalogs when it comes to home improvement. A lot of people also seem to be spending on that in the last few months. So, what are some of these new categories that you see picking up?
Yeah, you're right. I think there has been a little bit of shift in consumer behavior. And you're right, grocery, where we are seeing an upside, more and more consumers, be it prime customers or new customers, are coming and shopping online. And both on Amazon Pantry and Amazon Fresh, which are the two formats we have for grocery, definitely the growth outstrips the growth in other categories. And that's just a reflection of consumer behavior. By the way, interestingly, you touched upon home and kitchen, and we're seeing I think one of the behaviors we are observing, and I'm sure you must have heard about it, is people are looking for a substitute for social interaction. And that in some ways, besides, of course, spending more time in front of screens, whether it is OTT or in front of your laptops while working, it's also resulted in new hobbies sort of getting created. So the number of people who are adopting pets, the number of people who are learning to cook, we've seen a massive upside, and that is reflecting in what our sellers are selling on the marketplace. So definitely new appliances coming into homes, whether it's larger televisions, larger refrigerators, or the dishwasher, which is coming into a lot of Indian homes. And even on small appliances, it's, I think, reflecting on the number of people who are baking, trying to learn cooking, or be it sports or pets. I think on all these segments, we are definitely seeing consumer behavior in terms of what we are selling from our sellers online.
And in terms of hiring, you recently said that you have hired 1 lakh people ahead of the festive season. In May, I think you spoke about an additional 50,000 people. So do you expect this number to even go higher based on the demand that you're seeing? Because, you said it's going to be bigger than last year. You've also been scaling your delivery network in the last few months.
Yeah, I think even in a normal year, as I would call it, after the festive month gets over, we start planning for the next festive month because that's how long the planning cycle is, especially in case of infrastructure. And as you rightly pointed out, whether it is warehouses, the fulfillment centers, or even the last mile station, we've been putting this in place to ensure that we get closer to the customers so that our sellers can ship faster. So we have definitely been investing on that. And I think that would reflect in the customer experience as we step into this festive season. In terms of hiring, I think this year we have a great responsibility, both to our sellers and to our consumers. Our sellers are looking at marketplaces like Amazon.in to make sure they can quickly get back on their feet, especially our smaller sellers. We've taken a series of initiatives, and I think the festive season, the sale month, would probably be the biggest initiative to ensure that they get back to their feet quickly. So we have been driving that, and the 100,000 number is a reflection of that. That comes behind the 50,000. Now getting into next year, like I said, more and more people come onto the marketplace, and I think that's the flywheel which keeps on going. So for the last 6 years, every festive month has been bigger in terms of customer adoption and seller adoption. And and I think we've done what we could do in terms of controllable levers to make sure it moves in that direction.
Right. Mr. Tiwari, it's also going to be different this time because you have JioMart, which has been investing in a big way. There is also expectation that they are going to leverage their existing retail and fashion network, electronic network, to make a splash during the festive season. How is that going to change your own demand, supply? And is it again going to lead to a situation where we are going to see steep discounts? Because the era of steep discounts was kind of flattening and, things were getting better. Are we going to see that happening again? Because there's now a three-way fight of sorts.
I think let me take a step back and just share with you. As an organization, when we started in India, and it continues to be our mission, it is to transform the way people buy and sell. And I think it's still day zero for us in terms of the number of people who are buying and selling online, and we have a long, long way to go. So my focus always, and for all of us at Amazon, it's always been on the customer inputs. Yeah, so we always work customer backwards. Yeah, and therefore I think if more and more people come, players come, and sort of lead this transformation of sellers and consumers going online, I welcome that. But as far as Amazon.in is concerned, it's always we've always worked customer backwards, and that's been our approach.
Right. On that note, thank you very much for joining us on ET Now. And we, of course, will keep in touch with you, as we proceed towards the festive season, and also perhaps catch up with you in person sometime in October or November. But on that note, thank you very much for talking to us. And here's wishing you the best for the Great Indian Festival.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, and look forward to further interactions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Tiwari. All the very best.